Welcome to Nimu. Over the next 60 days, we are going to train together on something very few people teach you: how to regain control of your own calm. This isn't magic or a miracle cure, it's training, like going to the gym, but for your nervous system. A little each day with consistency, and you'll see how your body learns to lower anxiety on its own. This won't be a coincidence. Just as anxiety has a scientific explanation for how it's triggered, it also has a scientific explanation for how it recovers and balances itself, so that it doesn't spike and stay in that constant high, but rather regulates itself like any person who naturally self-regulates in seconds. It requires commitment and discipline to level and balance your central nervous system, your amygdala, and your vagus nerve. Before we begin, something important. Nimu accompanies and trains you, but it does not replace professional help. If at any point you feel you can't go on, or you have thoughts of harming yourself, seek human help today. A trusted person, your doctor, or a helpline. Asking for help is the bravest step. Now breathe. We start this journey together.